Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Philo on Amazon Fire TV. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by turning on your Amazon Fire TV. From the home screen, navigate to the search icon at the top. Type Philo in the search bar using your remote. Once you see the Philo app in the search results, select it. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, open the Philo app from the home screen. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you're new to Philo, select Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Choose your subscription plan when prompted. Enter your payment information to finalize your subscription. Once your subscription is active, you can start streaming. Explore the app to discover live and on-demand content available to you. Enjoy your Philo subscription on Amazon Fire TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.